Hey everybody, welcome. If you've ever dreamed about hunting Alaska but thought it was just out of reach because of the high costs, you're in the right place. This 3-day course is built to show you exactly how to hunt Alaska for less than $3,500, and that's not what I'm charging, but to show you you can do it for under $3,500. And that's something you can probably split between you and a buddy or 3 buddies. No guides, no fancy lodging, no $7,000 price tag. I break it all down into simple, doable steps, even if it's your first time, or drive into legal areas that most people overlook. Inside the course, I'm going to show you how to plan your route, pick the right species and unit, how to use vehicles, floats, rafts, boats, or one-way flights to cut bush flight costs in half, exactly what gear you need and what's a waste of your money. The critical mistakes first-time Alaska hunters make and how to avoid them. You'll also get examples of real hunt plans that work that I've built over 30 years, and I'll walk you through the logic behind them so you can build your own. It's all built off decades of experience, and I've helped hundreds of hunters pull this off with no guide, no fluff, and just strategy. What if I asked you, hey look, give me $100 and in return I'll give you $10,000. Yeah, $10,000. It's a pretty good deal. 100 for 10,000. Well, in this case, it's $97, and you're going to get 69 times your return, because that's what it would cost you to go on an air taxi flight service for just caribou. If it was moose, it'd be more like around $10,000. 97 bucks or 10,000. That's a pretty clear choice to me. If I'm saving you $7,000 to $10,000 and you bring a buddy, I'm also saving his $7,000 to $10,000. So what once was 97 bucks is now $20,000 in savings. The math is easy. In this course, what I'm teaching you, it can last for a lifetime. So $20,000 every single year for the rest of your life, and you get to hunt Alaska. For 97 bucks, it's a pretty good deal. But if you'd rather save your 97 bucks, you better come up with 100 more of these, because you're going to need it for your next air taxi service flight out into the field for one caribou or one moose. And I already know how to do all this, so I'm doing this for you. I hope to see you on the inside. This is going to be a 3-day course that's going to change the way you hunt in Alaska forever. And I'm so happy to be able to present it to you for the first time. This is the first course of its kind, and I hope to see you there.